Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce how to make Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work with this device. This is Android 9 Pie system special for Kia, Carens, Rondo, 2013 to 2019 years. Okay, let me show it. You can choose a time, you can choose logo, you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. And let me check the settings. System, you can check PX5 and Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Firstly, you need to install this AutoKit USB dongle from Belsee. Let me connect USB. Okay. This USB driver is mounted. Okay. Let me connect the small speaker from vacuum car head units. Test the sound. If you connect the small speaker, there is sound. Okay. Firstly, you need to install the AutoKit application from Belsee. It's the AutoKit. Install it. This 9-inch touchscreen is special for Kia, Carens and Rondo. Okay, please click allow. It's plug and play. You can check the settings, working mode. Okay. Let me connect the USB driver. Firstly, let me introduce Android Auto. Please click OK. Okay, you can choose the logo, Kia. Okay, this is USB cable, Samsung, original Samsung. Let me connect. This it shows connecting. Okay, you can check already connected. Disconnect and then connect. Okay, this is Android Auto. You can play music. This is Google Maps. Okay. It's Waze. You need to log in the Waze. This phone number. You can make phone call. It's music, Google Maps, Spotify. Okay, this is Android Auto. Okay, let me connect the CarPlay. Click OK. Okay, this is my iPhone XS. Let me open it. Okay, you can check the settings, Siri and search. You need to enable this too. Okay, this is USB. Okay, this is CarPlay. It's work with CarPlay. It's map. Okay, this is Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay, let me disconnect. And you can adjust this SIM color. Okay, this is Android Auto and CarPlay. That's all. Thank you.